Hi there, welcome to this first Android development tutorial. I'm really excited to start this series and hope you guys like it because I have a lot of tricks that you will probably love. So the thing I'm going to cover in this tutorial is basically how to install the SDK and an emulator of an Android device, an AVD. So go to Safari and the first thing you need to do is go to this address developer.android.com/sdk/index.html. Just you don't even need to download there. Click here, agree, and download it. You'll get a normal installation file, so just install it like any other program, and once you're done, you'll have Eclipse installed on your computer with the Android SDK ready to go. Let's go ahead and open it. And once this is done, you can go to Window, SDK Manager. This is very useful because here you're gonna be able to see all the features you have installed for your SDK, what versions can you use, let's say 20, 19, 18 and the Android version they correspond to. Make sure you have installed the Intel x86 at ATOM system images because those are gonna make our emulators run faster. Alright, once you're done with that, I'm gonna show you how to create a virtual device. So go to Window and Android Virtual Device Manager. And here you're gonna go ahead and create. Here for example I'm gonna name it Nexus 4. Gonna be a Nexus 4. Don't choose one that's the newer it is and the more resolution it has, the slower your computer is gonna go while running it. So don't go too far ahead. Let's say API 19, which is 4.4.2. Select this one if your computer is Intel based, let's say if you have a Mac. Scan just this one. Front camera and back camera if you're ever gonna want to use your computer's camera, you can emulate it by using the webcam. Memory, you don't need to touch anything, and this is very important. Use host GPU, that way you won't have to emulate it and it will go much faster. Alright, now you would go ahead and create and say okay. I can't do it because I already have a Nexus 4. Alright, and once you have it, to run it, just press start and launch it. It'll take a while, especially the first time you do this, it can take up to 10 minutes, so don't worry, nothing's wrong, just wait. But once the emulator is running, it's gonna be quite fast. It's not as fast as the iOS one in Xcode, but it's still pretty decent. So let's just give it a moment. Come on. There we go. Now the emulator is starting. When you see this, this is the screen where I'm telling you it can take up to 10 minutes. And there we go. Here's your Android device. You can unlock it. And there you'll have your apps, your settings, everything. Now, there's a way to make the emulator run a bit faster. That's installing the Intel HAXM. So in order to do that, you're just gonna go here to this address. I'm gonna let you just copy it. And you can read everything it says. But basically, you need to have the Intel x86 thing I said earlier. And then you need to download the XAXM file. It's gonna be in this address too. You can just copy it. I'm gonna paste it in the comment in the description of the video, and depending on what your system is, just say you have a Mac, so you just go here, you click here and it's going to start downloading it, and you just install it. It's like a normal application, and then your emulator will run much faster. That's gonna be it for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and hope you guys like the Android tutorial. So throw some likes and comments, put it out there. Thank you so much. Bye.